Okay, so I recently, with a coworker, came up with the idea to do a Jeopardy style game, and we are actually going to do a Jeopardy style K-pop event at my library on the 21st of January. So automatically, when I realized I had to come up with or use a game online, Jeopardy was going to be it. It was a little challenging trying to fit what I learned from the manual into a Jeopardy model, but after a while I kind of got it. I realized that there was quite a few makerspace definitions throughout your manual, and I just quoted them, and then of course it says who is the person who said it. Some of them are a bit more challenging than others, but again, if they read your manual, then they'd be able to know right away. The UTech model, of course, is just that. It says who created it, and then very simple things as in U, and the UTech stands for what is using. And then this portion is the actual model in use. And this question, for example, would be for the creating or the experimenting stage. My gosh. And let's see. This is the creating one that I had done. So again, if they read your manual, they would know, oh, she mentioned newspapers, cardboards, and recycled materials in the creating portion. Then we have the 5 C's in STEM or STEAM. And here is, again, just information about who coined it, what does this stuff stand for, the 5 C's. You got to list all of them. This part, because I really didn't know what to do here as far as what to title it, this is just really cool facts that I learned from your manual, especially this one, which I thought, the name of it is just really interesting too. And then the analytical side of the brain is the left side. And the fun thing is, I just did this. I had my coworker look this over before I started recording, and he actually kind of had fun because we do a STEM academy at my library. So it was fun to see him try to answer these questions without even having looked at your makerspace manual. The best marketing doesn't feel like marketing. Who said that? I think if this was like ever an in-person class and you said, okay guys, for this week y'all need to read and reread my manual, and then we all come to class the next day and you're like, pop quiz, whatever team gets the most right out of this whole board gets like 3 extra points on their final. This would be a pretty fun way to really understand what's going on. And then the neat thing is if I refresh, I'm not sure you can see that, you can pick how many teams are here, and then say if I wanted 5 teams, you continue, it's a fresh board again, and then whoever guesses, like if team 1 says, I want this for 300, if they get it wrong, then I do negative, right? Or positive. It's just very fun, and I love that this thing is available online 100% for free. I didn't have to pay for anything. So I'm definitely going to be using this Jeopardy style of games for future programmings. And like I said, we're going to be using it for a K-pop version because manga, K-pop, all that good stuff is really popular over here where I work. So that is that. Thank you.